Hi, I'm Jennifer Bagley with CI Web Group, and I want to thank everyone there at Johnson Supply for allowing us to be able to help you put together an amazing dealer locator and marketing tool for all of your HVAC contractors. Through this proposal, you'll notice that we're concentrating on making sure that you've got an incredible platform. It's designed to be able to allow you to showcase each one of your HVAC contractors, allow them to be able to showcase links to their websites, their social media sites, and even have the ability to be a contributor by adding blog content or videos to the platform itself. Through our program, we're very focused on making sure that you have the right technology to be able to support them in growing their business. This is going to consist of ensuring that the technology is properly built, ensuring that you have a marketing strategy to be able to take the website to market, ensuring that you have a training program that's going to allow your HVAC contractors to learn how do they leverage the directory, how do they leverage your dealer locator, and why it's so important for them to be connected to all the training programs through Johnson Supply. Manufacturers and distributors have a huge opportunity to increase sales through their HVAC contractor base. The challenge is, most of the training that's set up for their HVAC contractors is either a one-time event at a national conference or a regional conference, or it's a technical training focused on the systems themselves, installation, do's and don'ts, benefits and pros and cons, or it's set up for sales strategies such as how to present, how to overcome objections, how to sell, how to close, and so forth. The challenge with both of these strategies is there's a predecessor. The predecessor to an individual HVAC company is, where are the leads? That is where they want to start first. So it's important to figure out how can you implement a training program that's going to allow them to better leverage today's communication and marketing devices such as web, search, social, mobile, and video to be able to increase the volume of traffic coming to their website, the new prospects that are closing or becoming opportunities or leads within their system. Then they're going to be able to use all of the great skills they have from the technical training or the sales strategy training. The first goal through our program is to ensure the HVAC contractors themselves have the right technology, the right brand and imaging, the right strategy, are surrounded by the right network, and have the right mindset and behavior. They know how to use the marketing technologies that they have, and they continue to improve their results over time, ultimately improving yours. We just wanted to say thank you to everyone at Johnson Supply for allowing us the opportunity to visit with you about the dealer locator, your website, and helping take all of your HVAC company's business to the next level. Again, from us to you, we appreciate you and look forward to a long-lasting relationship and a ton of accelerated results.